This is a fantastic planet, has nurtured not one or two life forms, millions of life forms. They share variety of life of animals, birds, planets, insects and worms that we have on this planet is mind-boggling. Our ability to gobble up the resources on this planet, it's too much. We exploited the land, we exploited the oceans. Our idea of life has become exploitation. We are saying how to exploit every creature we have clean. Everything's needed to protect it of fear animals like tiger too needs protections because we have not found any other way vehicle through which we can expand. We are naturally thinking, exploiting the physical research. It's the only way to expand. Right now, our very economic are built like this. It is all about more and more. This means everybody has to buy more, everybody has more to use more. By where is that ban more? We are on exploitative mode, not by choice, by compulsive. The only solution for this is consciousness. When humanity begins to operate out of consciousness, then compulsiveness will not rule us. When compulsiveness does not rule us, we will do just what is needed. Nothing more, nothing less. We have to come to that place. Otherwise, if they give us another 10 planets that we can live on, we will destroy all that in the next 2 century many being. The only way, the only way, the ultimately solution is people start living consciously. It is good human beings who have forgotten that they are only on purpose of this planet. Human beings who have that they have just temporarily come out of the womb of this earth, and one day they will be setting back into this earth. For then, remind that you are a part of the earth. You have to think like the earth. If humanity has to live for a long time, you have to think like the earth, act like the earth, and be the earth, because that is what you are.